AEMD stock analysis and AEMD stock prediction. So in this brief and short 1-minute video, what I'll be doing is showing you my exact play. I mean, as the only guy in this space has done over 42,000 videos over 5 years of seeing what's personally making me money and what's not. So how is it going to look like? Well, it's a bearish market currently. I know we had like a reverse split and all that good jazz. And I know it's even up like, oh my bad, 23%. But does not change the fact that it's melting. It's like literally melting. And let's not play like I haven't seen this happen tens of thousands of times, because you can see how much videos I've uploaded. So even with my data, you know, it's all, I've documented the whole journey for 5 years. So ultimately, if there is a double break, I'm still going to look to double down on the sell side. And if not, well, I guess it is what it is, right? So boom, all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.